Hello, class. Today we're going to learn about multiplying decimals by tens. So very simply, if you're looking at a number with decimals and you're multiplying by multiples of 10, all you're doing is moving the decimal point to the right by how many zeros the tens have. So looking at our first problem, we see that 5.4 times 10 has 1 0. So all you're going to do is move your decimal over one spot because there's 1 0. 5.4, move your decimal to the right, one spot. So 5.4 times 10 is 54. Looking at our next number, 9.3 times 10. Again, 10 has 1 0. So we're just going to move the decimal to the right one spot. 9.3 times 10 is now 93. Looking at our next number, 0.76 times 10. Again, 10 has 1 0. You're just going to move the decimal to the right one spot. So our new number is 7.6. Looking at the next number, we have 88 times 10. Now, again, you don't see it, but there actually is a decimal right there because 88 is the same as 88.0. So again, we just follow the same rule. Since it's 88.0 times 10 and 10 has 1 0, you're just going to move that decimal to the right one spot. So the new number is 880. Now, still multiplying by tens, all right, the same rule applies. You're just counting how many zeros and you're moving the decimal that many places. So here we see 30.2 times 100. There are 2 zeros. So we need to move our decimal over 2 spots. Now looking at 3.2, we can write that the same as 3.20. So now, again, 100 has 2 zeros. We're going to move our decimal to the right 2 spots. 1, 2. So our answer is 3.2 times 100 is 320. Looking at the next problem, we have 0.89 times 100. Again, 100 has 2 zeros. So all we're doing is moving the decimal over 2 spots. So 0.89 times 100 is 89. And our last example, 62.1 times 100, again, 100 has 2 zeros. So looking at 62.1, 62.1 is the same as 62.10. So now, again, because 100 has 2 zeros, you're just going to move the decimal over 2 spots. So our final answer is 6,210.